I hope you enjoy this backyard transformation. The call originally came in to turn this concrete swimming pool into a backyard pond with filtration and a fountain, and an attempt had already been made to do that, but a backyard pond requires a lot of maintenance. And what we decided to do is we redirected the customer into removing the swimming pool and creating these gardens in the back of her yard. So the first thing that has to be done when we come in and attempt to do something like this is we use our secret weapon, which is this boulder that you see here. We drop the boulder down and spider the bottom of the swimming pool. That loosens up the debris so that we can come in and easily remove it. You'll see little tiny pieces. We get all of that out. We remove 100% of that concrete. And then we bring in structural fill soil, and you can tell in this picture that we're packing it. We're removing all the pipes. Now, we've got to be careful that we don't compact too high up into the root zone of the garden. We want to make sure that we have enough loose soil at the top that the roots can grow down and into it. But if we don't do the right level of compaction, you're going to have sinking and settling. Now, there is a special blend of soil for different types of gardens. And in this case, we knew that the customer was very interested in raising flowers and having a flower garden versus a vegetable garden. So we imported a specific blend just for flower gardens, and we use that in the top layer of soil. And the layer of soil that I'm referring to will be the top 2 to 3 feet. So let's be very specific about choosing the right type of soil for your conditions, because this is the key to long-term success. So when we typically remove a swimming pool, we'll import what we call pulverized screened black dirt. This is not necessarily the best soil to grow a vegetable garden or a flower garden, but it's the perfect type of soil to grow grass. Now, pulverized screened black dirt is actually different than standard topsoil. Standard topsoil will have organic material in it. It will be black in nature, but it'll also have clay and other materials in there. It hasn't been screened, it hasn't been refined. The next level up is the pulverized and screened black dirt, and sometimes tested for chemicals. This is an important thing. A lot of times, topsoil will contain contaminants. Pulverized screened black dirt will be tested to make sure there are no contaminants in that soil. But beyond that, you have 3 more types of soil for raising vegetable gardens. You have a flower garden blend, which is what we used in this case. You have a vegetable garden blend, and then you also have a rain garden blend. And it's important to understand when to choose which type of soil. You can see the results that we're able to get with the flower garden blend. We buy it in bulk. It's not bought in bags. It's not pre-mixed. It's important to check with your local supplier and be very clear on what you're using this soil for. Don't take any substitutes, because that is the difference between getting results like this and getting something that you're going to struggle with for years to come. So put in the right type of soil out of the gate, and it's going to make your job of growing a gorgeous garden that much easier. If you don't have the right soil, you're going to have an issue down the road. So make sure you start with the right soil. If you're trying to grow a vegetable garden, pick that. If you're installing a rain garden, there is a specific blend for rain gardens to allow the water to percolate through and to keep the roots of the plants dry, because a rain garden is typically an area that is designed to take on a lot of water and to make it pass through quickly. And so there are different types of blends for each condition. Make sure that you're getting the right one for your site. I want you guys to have absolutely amazing results, and that is the key. So enjoy the rest of this video. Love you guys, love you gals. Please subscribe for updates. And please do me one favor. If you found this video to be helpful, please click the like button and share this video. God bless each and every one of you. I hope you guys have amazing results growing your own gardens.